Hello, I'm Amjad Kalyar from Manchester. I was thinking to introduce myself, just my basic introduction to my connections. And today, so I planned for that and I am here. As you know me, I am here in education sector and I have been doing some education work here. Some, professional trainings, I did that. I served high schools and then colleges. So you can say I have a very extensive and very heavy experience of education in UK. So let's start from the beginning, from where I start my career. In Pakistan, I was basically IT professional. I did programming on mainframe computer and mini computer. Now they are obsolete, It's 3 decades, maybe more than that gone, and now we are in the era of small computers and even mobile. So I started my IT profession since long, and from Pakistan I went to California. I joined a software company over there as a programmer and did program on a mini computer over there. After that I came over here in UK and start teaching computer science. Computer science is my main subject, and I have gone through different stages of the education here. I got 1 year postgraduate qualification here in education, and after that experienced that, and now I'm teaching the students or giving the trainings as well. So at a glance, what I will say, what is the difference between education over here and the education over there in our countries back? I remember when in 1991, when I got an opportunity to go to Canada, I noticed a very big difference of education between Pakistan and Canada. And it was very small training, not a big one, couple of months training. But what point they highlighted in their education was, they said showing someone or doing something will motivate the learner more. Instead, you just talk and just explain. And now it's 2022. I observed many improvements in education. In England, there are many, education laws have been passed, and now they have very excellent education system of the world. Very briefly, what I will say, what is the education which should be in Pakistan, and very briefly how I can describe that. So I will say now it's the time of personalized learning here in this country and the other countries as well. We call them advanced countries. What the personalized learning is, for example, if a doctor treats or cures a patient, it's a case history and it's only for that patient. A lawyer, when deals with a case of his or her client, makes case history, a file, and works on it. Similarly, the other professions, like you say engineers, they will have a project in hand, they will work on one project. Similarly, other examples. Traditional education was classroom education, classroom teaching, in which a teacher comes and explains to whole of the class and asks them to do something. Then after that, the concept of independent learning came, in which teacher-centered education converted into student-centered or learner-centered education, means something learner has to do as well, independently like that. So after that, now a lot of tools are available online. It's the time of digital technology. Now, what I will say, every education is in Pakistan as well, and in India and the other developing countries, they should work for the personalized learning. Means they should focus on each and every learner, but different ways, different strategies, and they have to boost up every learner. Either the learner is slow, the learner is very intelligent, whatsoever, but we as educationists, we as teachers, we have to take care of every student. We call it diversity. Diversity means every student is different, and we have to satisfy each and every learner's learning thirst, and we have to keep them updated, and we have to improve their individual learning. So I think you got it, what I want to say. If you have any questions on it, let me know, give comment, and I am here to explain, and we are here to learn more and more. So thank you very much for your time. Talk to you later.